We've spoken about the users of financial information. Who are they? Let's take a look at these people. The users of financial information are people that are going to be making economic decisions on the basis of our financial statements. So these are people who are going to take our information, our financial information, and make a decision on that. So based on our earlier example, the information that you gave the bank, they're going to weigh that up, assess that, and decide whether or not they're going to give you a study loan or a bond, or whether or not they're going to sell you a car. So what types of decisions are these people going to be making based on your information? Investors obviously want to know whether or not they're going to invest your money in the company. Are you going to protect it? Are you going to look after it? Employees want to know if your company is stable. Will you be able to pay their salaries? Lenders want to know if you can pay them back. If I give you this money, are you going to be able to pay me back? Your suppliers and creditors want to know if you can pay them, if you're a sustainable business and going to be a sustainable client for them. Customers want to know if you can continue providing the service. If they buy something from you that requires servicing on a regular basis, or it's a long-term client basis, they want to know that you're going to be around for a while, that they can get their stuff repaired, they can get warranties, whatever the case is. The government wants your money. The government wants tax from you. It's a lot about the information that the government is looking for, all your laws, regulations, that type of thing. You need to make sure you're covered, all your payments are made. And then your general public. The general public is interested in your business in terms of the jobs it creates, the employment it creates, the effect that it has on the environment, the community, all that type of thing. So a lot of people in and around your business are going to be looking at your financial information. They're going to be separated between internal users and external users. Internal users are what we talk about when we talk about management accounting. So part of your accounting studies are going to be MANAC, management accounting. And that's where we talk about your internal users, people within the company, people within the entity. We need information in order to make decisions about how to run the business, how to control the money, the cash flow. Do we invest the money? Do we put it under the mattress? Do we pay people more? Do we pay people less? Do we sell for more? Do we raise our sales, or do we raise our selling price? Do we try and lower our costs? Do we retrench people? All these types of decisions need to be made on the basis of the information you're looking at. For your guys studying, this is going to be less rule-based. So one day when you get to MANAC, some of you are going to love it, some of you are not going to love it. And the people that love it are the people who don't like rules so much, and they like to do their own thing. And a lot of you proper accountants, you don't like management accounting because it means that there are no rules and you guys like rules. So you generally find a lot of your accounting students will either have one or the other that they like. They either like management accounting or MANAC, and the ones who prefer proper rules are the ones who like financial accounting. Financial accounting is when we talk about reporting to others and we talk about reporting to our users. They are external, they are not part of our business, they don't know what happens on a daily basis. And this, as I say, we have a specific set of standards that governs how transactions are recorded and reported for these users. So these are very rule-based, very specific. You've got to know what you're doing. You've got to make sure it looks like that. Whereas internally, we just have decisions that we need to make. However I come up with that idea, or however I come up with that decision, is my business, because I'm the one who's going to bear the cost of that. The external users, we need to make sure it's very, very rule-based and very specific. So all the details and all the principles and the concepts we're teaching you here will help you when it comes to your studies for both internal as well as external, your MANAC as well as your FANAC.